Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to use Revolut Virtual Card. Now before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. So in order to use Revolut Virtual Card, you're gonna have to create one. So in order to create one, what you're gonna have to do is simply open the app and then simply go to the card section, then simply tap on add new and then select virtual card. Then you're gonna have to select your design, label the card, and then simply tap on create card. Now, if you want to see the card details, like the entire number and the CVV and the expiration code, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the card section again, then select your virtual card and then simply tap on show details. And basically now you can start paying for stuff online or abroad, and after you use them you can easily delete them, so you don't have to worry about someone stealing your card or getting, I don't know, charged twice. So as you can see here, what type of virtual debit card should I get? Here, if you want, you can see different options. So as you can see, how many virtual debit cards can I have? So you can create as many as 4 cards every 30 days until you reach a maximum of 20. As you can see, can I get a virtual debit card instantly? So yes, you can do that. And as you can see, they're completely free. And basically that's it for today's video. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.